Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen. Today, we're whipping up a mouth-watering dish that's bursting with flavor, our barbecue chicken skewers with creamy mint yogurt dip. Let's start by creating our irresistible marinade. In a small mixing bowl, combine salt, black pepper, thyme, paprika, garlic powder, barbecue sauce, and olive oil. Give these flavors a good mix until they come together in perfect harmony. You'll find all the ingredients and measurements in the description box below. Once ready, pour this heavenly concoction over bite-sized chicken breast pieces, then give it a good mix, ensuring each piece is thoroughly coated. Thread the marinated chicken onto wooden skewers. Heat an oil-greased skillet over medium heat, then carefully place the chicken skewers onto the skillet, making sure not to overcrowd the skillet. Cover the skillet and let the chicken cook for about 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to mingle and the chicken to take on a glorious golden hue. Flip these beauties over and let them continue cooking uncovered for an additional 7 minutes. While our skewers sizzle away, let's prepare a refreshing accompaniment, our creamy mint yogurt dip. In a small mixing bowl, combine yogurt, cream cheese, dried mint, minced garlic, and lemon juice. Mix until smooth. And there you have it, our barbecue chicken skewers with creamy mint yogurt dip. Serve these delectable delights at your next gathering and watch as smiles light up the room. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more culinary adventures, and ring the notification bell, so you never miss a mouth-watering episode. Until next time, happy cooking!